Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Au Gres, a charming little town on the shores of Lake Huron in Michigan. This waterfront community is known for its boating, fishing, and peaceful lakeside living. The history of Au Gres dates back to the mid-1800s, when settlers began building homes and small businesses along the river and lakefront. The town's name comes from the French words Au Gres, meaning at the sandbank, referring to the sandy shores of the area. Over the years, Au Gres grew into a welcoming community with parks, marinas, and local shops that highlight its connection to the water. Fishing tournaments and outdoor activities have long been a draw for residents and visitors alike. The town retains its small-town charm while offering easy access to the natural beauty of the surrounding region. Many people come here to relax, enjoy water sports, or explore the nearby forests and trails. Its combination of history, nature, and community spirit gives Au Gres a unique appeal. Whether you are here to cast a line, take in the lake views, or enjoy a quiet getaway, Au Gres provides a perfect lakeside escape. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Au Gres, Michigan. Thanks for watching!